doing I don't know what they're called.
Taste test.
Taste.
Taste test challenge.
Taste test. So we can pass if we want.
Yeah, because there's tons of snacks. And there's one kind of a drink in there too.
Okay. So
But this one Anna's doing too. With the blindfolded mask.
what do you mean?
It's supposed to be a blindfolded taste test. That's what we talked about before the video.
Okay. I'm gonna try to also guess the fruits. Oh my god. Oh.
What?
I said ooh.
About what?
I just wanted to say ooh.
Don't squeeze it. No squeezing. Anna, no squeezing.
Okay.
Hold the sides.
Oh my god.
Carefully bring it up.
Is it a juice box?
Yes. What kind of juice?
My kind of juice.
You didn't even guess it.
It's grape juice.
I can see my iPad. Wait, that was Miranda, your mom. Ezra's sleeping next door. That's cute. That's Anna's brother, which is my nephew, Ezra. He's gonna be on videos in probably next year or the year after, right, Anna? Is that what we agreed on? So, you guys just have to wait for it next year.
Throw it away.
Use your manners.
Now put the blindfold on.
No, you're doing this whole video. Remember?
Yeah.
Anna!
I thought we were going to go back and forth.
No, you're doing the whole video.
Let's just do back and forth.
Okay. That's not how me and Grandma Shirley do it.
This tastes nasty.
That was a real close-up.
Yeah.
Anna.
Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. Grab one. Grab one. You grab three.
What? Anna,
What?
use your manners.
What do you mean? I didn't fart.
Still, use your manners.
I farted?
You burped.
What do you think it is?
A freeze-dried Skittle.
Baby! Yeah.
The strawberry?
You grabbed multiple.
I grabbed one.
Oh, I didn't see which one you grabbed. Open your mouth.
Strawberry. It was red.
Baby,
Your
baby.
turn to blindfold. Hold on.
Give me the food.
I have to show everyone.
Give me the food.
I have to show everyone.
I don't think I want to try this.
You have to. Eat it.
Okay. I don't like it.
What do you think it is, though?
I don't know. Cracker?
Yes, it's a cinnamon sugar white parts covered mini.
Can you please throw this away?
Your germs are on it.
Oh, I see the package to the meal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you took one too. Fine, I'm gonna take one of these. Just because I want to. I don't want that one. I want this one. That one doesn't have much flavor. I'm gonna take the blue one. Well, put the blindfold on.
Where did you put it?
I guess you'll just have to close your eyes.
Okay. Pick one. Pick something.
Let me feed it to you.
Hershey Kiss.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one too. You're just too good. Baby Geeky.
I know what I'm gonna pick for you. But
Is it a marshmallow?
yeah,
What the heck? What is that?
Dr. Pepper Peep.
Ew.
It still made you eat it though.
Oh. That's gross.
Okay. Kit Kat.
Yeah. I'm gonna take the other half. Oh my god. What's going on?
Oh,
I don't know. Mmm.
we ought to just set it down like that. Look, where we use these all openers. You're eating Kit Kat. Alright.
Bye, guys.
We're not done. No, we're not.
But I just tooted. Tooting means goodbye in
No.
tooting language. It's already been 11 minutes.
Still, we have other snacks to do.
We're not doing all of them.
Yes, we are.
But there's too many.
We can still do them, though.
Fine.
You have to close your eyes. Hold on. I'm showing everybody.
Oh my god, I don't like how that feels.
Eat it.
No. Oh.
What do you think? Good.
Close your eyes.
You didn't say what it is. Shit.
Yeah.
Anna, don't put open food in there. That's nasty. But you found it?
Yeah.
You want to keep going?
Hmm?
You want to keep going?
Mm-mm.
Bye, guys.